Hey, I'm Sydney Blanco, designer on the workplace team, and I'm here to talk about Creating Space. Creating Space is our new carpet collection that encourages us to pause and let our mind respond to our collective need we all have for moments of quiet focus. Designed for the adaptive spaces of today where performance, agility, and well-being are important. This collection centers us on the present moment and gives us the tools to be less stressed, calmer, and kinder to ourselves and to others, a truly human-centric collection. I'm here with Daniel Collins, our marketing director for Workplace, and he's going to tell us what makes Creating Space different from our previous launches.
Sydney, this collection is unique because it incorporates both our EcoWorks and Ecologics carpet tile backing. There's no overage required, there's no minimums required, and it will also be sampled using our Ecologics backing. This adds to the versatility of the collection. EcoWorks is appropriate for most all environments. However, areas where improved ergonomics and comfort underfoot is desired, Ecologics is a perfect choice. Ecologics is also a great choice for areas where in-room acoustics are needed, and also in areas that have issues with subfloor moisture. Ecologics provides a breathable backing and is appropriate for those areas when used with our 4151 adhesive. Sydney, this collection is also appropriate for most all market segments. Its all-loop, 100% solution dye construction is appropriate and color fast enough to be used in areas in healthcare and higher education where soft surface flooring is being utilized. The patterns in the collection are versatile enough to be used together to designate areas within the workplace, and also versatile enough to be standalone in applications such as a retail environment.
Mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we're doing, and not overwhelmed by what's going on around us. The catalyst for this collection was the acknowledgement that mark making can be a meditative, cathartic, and great way to reset common stressors. It allows the mind to wander and the self to relax. Wellness and well-being is ever more important, and research shows humans are more able to concentrate, function positively, and be innovative when able to reset and relax. We began by stepping into nature to experiment with natural materials. Inks, water, gravity, and deliberately slow hand methods invited introspection. Combining different mediums and using natural materials to create textures with repetitive motions had a soothing effect, and the resulting textures often ended up biophilic, recalling nature. Creating Space encourages occupants to bring awareness to the present moment. Some keywords for this collection are optimistic, genuine, purposeful, well-being, focused, and warmth. Conscious is a medium-scale, subtly open pattern that is soft enough to use in larger areas. Drawn from natural elements and created outdoors, the effects of foliage, light, and air naturally resulted in soft ink textures, connecting us to our surroundings and providing an essential link to the natural world. The style intention is medium in scale and makes a bold statement that reflects the playful element embodied in its creation. Combination of experimentation and deliberation that use gravity to shift ink around predetermined paths of watermarks, the result is a spontaneous embrace of making unintended results not only acceptable, but welcome. Style Aware continues the shift in scale, progressing to a larger, more deliberate pattern derived from a process of cathartic mark making, where ink was dragged and scratched across the paper using leaves and smaller twigs. A distinctly creative and unique approach to problem solving that calms the mind, encouraging new ways of thinking. The final style in this collection is Present, a small-scale organic pattern that has a tranquil texture and is the result of using natural materials to make small repetitive marks on a page. It soothes the senses, allowing us to be fully in the moment. The style is universal and plays well with the others. It also has some coordinating colorways with accents if a bit of color is desired. Each of the 4 styles are 18 by 36 all-loop tiles using 100% Eco-Solution Q yarns and are 20 ounces. Again, the wonderful aspect about this collection is that each style is available in Ecologics and EcoWorks backing. Creating Space also contributes to WELL certification in several ways outlined in the training document. A few are VOC reduction, material transparency, biophilia, and beauty and design. The color palette for creating space is mostly neutral and complementary to the biophilic nature of the visuals. Here you can see that intention, conscious, and aware come in these 8 colorways. We have some wonderful beiges and warms and cools, a nice black, and this nice inky navy. The style present, the small texture style, comes in those same 8 colorways, but they also have those additional accented colorways that coordinate back to a neutral, in case you want to add a little bit of color.